All right, let's talk about the Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch. And I'm in a weird place right now with basketball sneakers, not like Jordans and casual stuff, but I have so many like actual hooping sneakers. I don't really like to change them too much, so just getting this shoe, it's great, but it's like it's causing a problem. But anyway, the Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch, I thought this was just some like made up fantasy sneaker, and it's not. We saw AD wear it at some point, and these are supposed to be coming out December 16th of 2023, a little bit before Christmas, which is cool. I probably won't hit on these on sneakers, so I'm not counting on it, but I am grateful that I have this pair right in front of us. And when I was hooping in these, man, it was really, really nice. I didn't have very high expectations for these as far as like an on-court performance test, but they definitely exceeded my expectations, which is good. And with this shoe, they look like they just basically reversed everything, which is an easy concept. And it was just executed really, really well. This like crimson that they're using, it's really nice. I wish I would have had some black laces, but I didn't have time to dig some out. But I think black laces would look better in these, but I'll probably end up using these neon green Grinch laces in them. It makes them pop. It kind of tells people what they are. But just black laces, I wish I could have did that just to show you guys, because I really like these, and I wanted to put black laces in these too. Those are really nice. A little too small, but those are great. But anyway, so this is I try to get the inside out, but this is what it looks like, guys. I want a shoe that molds to my foot, and these definitely were molding to my foot. That's why I had to play in them another day, because they're just that good. And a size 10 is definitely what I should be wearing. And I'm starting to notice the way you lace the shoe and the type of sock that you wear is very important. Like these felt good. They made me shoot really well. Like I felt comfortable shooting in them, dribbling around in them and making cuts and back-to-back, side-to-side crossovers, that sort of thing. They just performed really well. They responded really well to my foot, and I tried to like use these things and to see if like I got any foot fatigue, because usually my left big toe starts to act funny. I don't know what's going on with that, but no problems at all. Like these were way better than the eyeballs from the video before. And I think the eyeballs would have been cool. It's just that they were a half size too small, and Russ said he hooped in them. And he played a few games and they were all right, but not an all-day shoe. Now this is the all-star version. I always bring this up to reference like a retail pair just to see how they're constructed. And it's kind of a totally different shoe. This one has like a translucent clear sole, but look at the toe box. The toe box on the right is just a little bit more smoother, a little bit more rounded, which doesn't make a big deal at all. The only thing I noticed performance-wise is that you feel the Zoom and the All-Star a lot more. Like they use the deluxe Zoom bag and nose, which is okay. Both of them are great. I would take any one of these playing basketball. Now, as far as the Grinch, I got this shoe probably about 8 months ago, and this was a really, really good pair as well, also size 10. But I think the Reverse Grinch has been touched up a little bit more. Like there's just a little bit more attention to detail and love put into the Reverse Grinches. And I'm talking about the pair that I have, not generally speaking. And as I'm editing this video, I was like, which one is this better than the regular Grinch? And I almost said yes, but I think it's just too early for that. And you don't always have to have a favorite. But they're really good. I could see somebody wearing maybe one Grinch and one Reverse Grinch on it. I know guys still did that. I used to do that back in high school, kind of before everybody did it. But there was no Grinches. And look at the tongue on that. Look at the tongue on the regular Grinch. It's like, that was interesting. I just noticed that. It's kind of pointing towards the left. I don't know if that's because I hooped in it or if I have something in the inside. But all in all, I give the shoe performance-wise, I guess I can give it a 10. I just couldn't find anything wrong with the sneaker. So I guess I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Tell me what you guys think, and I hope that whoever wants the shoe that's watching this definitely gets a chance to obtain them however way you can. But that's my time, guys. Peace, love, and light. Got a bunch of videos to make, so I'm going to start doing that. And I'll catch you guys on IG or something like that. Peace.